Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Installing the OS library in Python using pip, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. The OS module in Python provides a way to interact with the operating system. It offers various functions for file and directory manipulation, environment variables, and more. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing the OS library using pip, the package installer for Python. Step 1. Open a terminal or command prompt. To begin, open your terminal or command prompt. This tutorial assumes that you have Python and pip installed on your system. Step 2. Check if pip is installed. Run the following command to check if pip is installed. If pip is installed, you'll see version information. If not, you need to install pip first. Step 3. Install OS library using pip. Run the following command to install the OS library. This command will download and install the OS library and its dependencies from the Python package index, PyPI. Step 4. Verify installation. Once the installation is complete, you can verify it by opening a Python interactive session or creating a script. Run the following commands. Save the script with a .py extension and execute it. If you see the output without any errors, the OS library is installed and ready to use. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the OS library in Python using pip. The OS module is a powerful tool for interacting with the operating system, and you can now start using its functionalities in your Python projects. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, double-check your Python and pip installations, and ensure that your system's path variable is correctly set. ChatGPT.